Scene script. Ever wondered why some people seem to have an uncanny knack for remembering the multiplication table of 3? What if the secret to their seemingly superhuman ability didn't involve any magic, but a simple trick that anyone can learn? Intrigued? Stay tuned. First, we need to understand the basic structure of the multiplication table of 3. Every number in the table is a multiple of 3, which means it can be divided evenly by 3. That's the first step, understanding the principle that underpins everything else. Next, we move to the actual trick. This trick revolves around the digits of the numbers in the multiplication table of 3. Observe any number in the table of 3 and you'll notice that the sum of its digits is always a multiple of 3. Take the number 21, for example. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Or consider the number 36. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Both 3 and 9 are multiples of 3. Coincidence? Not at all. This pattern holds true for every number in the multiplication table of 3. So if you're ever unsure whether a number belongs in the table, just add up its digits. If the sum is a multiple of 3, you've got a number from the table. But that's not all. This trick can also help you construct the table of 3. Start from 3 and keep adding 3 to the previous number. As you do so, check the digits of the new number. If the sum of the digits isn't a multiple of 3, you've made a mistake and need to correct it. Now, it's important to remember that this trick doesn't replace the need to learn the multiplication table of 3. It's more of a safety net, a way to check your work and catch any errors before they cause trouble. To recap, the trick to mastering the multiplication table of 3 involves understanding the principle of multiples of 3 and using the digits of the numbers in the table. Add up the digits of any number, and if the sum is a multiple of 3, that number belongs in the table. And when constructing the table, use the same digit sum check to ensure you're on the right track. Why bother with this trick? It's simple. This trick not only helps you remember the table of 3, but it also enhances your number sense and mental arithmetic skills. It makes learning math a bit more fun and a lot less intimidating. So, give it a try and see the difference it makes. Remember, math is not about rote memorization, but understanding patterns and relationships. And this trick is a perfect example of that. Happy